Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a capture card as a source in OBS or Streamlabs. Let's get into the method. Open OBS or Streamlabs first, and although they will be slightly different, the method will work on both. First, if you haven't already, check that your capture card is set up correctly. You can click the card or follow the link in the description for a full setup example if you want. Also, check that your console or the device you want to record is powered on. Now find the Sources section in OBS or Streamlabs and click on the plus icon here. On OBS, this is just below the Sources, and in Streamlabs, this is just to the right of the name Sources. Next, choose Video Capture Device or Video Capture from the menu. We now need to give this a name. You can leave this as it is, but it might be helpful to name it the same as your capture card. Click on OK and now check the device drop-down menu and select your capture card. If you don't see it here, try each of the options to see if it's one of them. If it still isn't working, check for any extra software or setup required for your capture card, or try the capture card's own recording software to see if that shows the video. With your capture card chosen, you should see a preview of what it will record, such as your console. Again, double check this is turned on, and you could even check the picture is working on your monitor, which it should now. Again, double check this is turned on, and you could even check the picture is working on your monitor. You can customize the other settings on this page, however, leaving them as default should work. Click on OK. Next, look to the preview and resize the capture card's video in the window. It should snap to the full size. And now have a look in the audio mixer. Adding the capture card should have automatically added the audio for it, so you can find it and customize its sound level, and also test that the audio is working. You could try adding an audio source for the capture card manually, just like we did for the video section. If you want to use the microphone on your PC for live voiceover, you'll need to add this audio source. Click on the plus icon in the Sources section, then choose Audio Input Capture, give it a name, then select your microphone. You should now be ready to record, but you might want to open the settings first and customize the output, audio and video tabs to choose the correct quality, such as resolution and frame rate, as well as the video output settings. You'll want to match the quality settings to the best possible settings for your capture card. You're now ready to record or stream, and after this, I'd recommend checking how it looks and further adjust any settings based on this. Also, check the display settings on your console, as these could need changing after you've connected a capture card. That's how to add a capture card as a source in OBS or Streamlabs. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you how to stream to Twitch from OBS on your PC or laptop. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.